So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. You want to find your network adapter. It might be saying something like Intel, or it might be saying like Realtek GPE family controller. Once you find your network adapter, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on configure. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the advanced tab. And now this will come up. You can copy my settings here. So for channel width for 2.4 GHz, make it auto. For channel width for 5 GHz, make it auto. And now for the preferred band, if your computer is near your router, then you want to select prefer 5 GHz band. If you're far from your router or there's too many walls between your router, you want to go with prefer 2.4 GHz band. For roaming aggressiveness, if you're mostly sitting in one spot like you're gaming or you're just watching a video, you want to make it between low to medium. If you're moving around a lot, you want to make it between medium to high. So if you're taking your laptop to like different rooms, then make it medium to high. Once you do that, click on OK. Next, you want to click on Properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Obtain an IP address automatically, and now under it you want to select Use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 1111, and you want to make the second line 1001, and then click on OK. For the last step, just restart your computer. This will speed up your internet connection on your computer.